Okay, good morning to Panharani. My name is Satiswaran, Rarki Gunabaran. My invited number is 01TT319F 2098. So I'm here to present my PPT problem-based task 2. So this problem-based task 2 is based on configure-based setting for each router addressing and loopbacks. So it's from configure multimedia OSPF to allow full connectivity between all departments. So so now we are going to our topology first. So here they have given instruction. So this is the link local for the routers R2, R3, R4. Then there's the router ID for the OSPF for each router R2, R3, and R4. Then the task 4 is to summarize the network, and number 5 is generate the default network into OSPF. So these are the rubrics. So now we are going to the topology here. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 router. Then 4 different areas. Area 10, area 0, area 30, and area 40. And one is internet, but it is in the out, out of the router, so we have to connect it. Now we're going to see the first one, router 1. So to here, so we're going to see. Okay, first of all, we have password here. The password is PUO. Wait, PUO. Then enable. Then the password again is class. So show run. So here we can see, okay, so why we have loopback here? Because here we have loopback for interface 10. So loopback interface 10. So here the IP address given 10.10.10.129. Subname is 25. So if 25 is 255.255.255.128. And then we have given IP address for the interface serial 0/0/0. So we have a router OSPF 50 here. So that's all for router 1 because it's not too detailed. So we're going to R2. R2 here, okay, we have seen password same PO enable class. We have to show run. Okay, because of R2 is near with the internet, so we have to connect the internet into the R2. So we have interface loopback. That's IP address for internet and IPv6 address for the internet. So we have already configured. Then we have interface serial 0/0/0, the IP address here, and IP address for serial 0/0/1, IPv4, IPv6, and link local for the router. And then we have here the router OSPF 20, the router ID 2.2.2, and then the directed connected network in R2. Then we have to default information originate for all because the network internet should be connected to all the routers. So we have to do default information originate. So we have a default route here to connect with internet. Then we have IP route for 192.168.31.32. So the next one is we're going for router 3. Router 3 also same. So we have to do PO enable class show run. So for router 3, also have IPv6 address and IPv4 address as shown here. Wait, I just finished. Okay, let's see. So router OSPF 50, router ID 3.3.3. Then this is a directed connected network to router 3. And then all interface are already configured into OSPF 50, IPv4 and IPv6. So these are the IPv6 address for the interface. Then we go for router 4. Okay, same PUO enable show run CLASS class show run. So here we have loopbacks 30, 31, 32. So these three loopbacks is in IPv4 address. So we should assign IPv6 address, not 4 IPv6 address. So then so we have router OSP50 here and the router ID 4.4.4.4 because it's router 4. That is IPv6 address for serial 0/0/0 and the link local. Then we're going for last router 5. So router 5 also have loopbacks to configure. So let's see the configuration. So these are the configuration for loopbacks 21 until 25. Then we also have interface IP address for 0/0/1. And then for router 5, we don't have IPv6 because the network ID for router 5 to router 3 is in IPv4. So that's all the configuration. So let's see the connectivity and to those routers. So let's see R1 to R3 successful. There we see 1, 2, 3. They are successful. R2 1 successful. Then we go for R3 to 5 successful and 2 to 5. Yeah, successful. One more, one more here. 3 to 5. Yeah, successful. But this one here. So that's all. My completion is 80%. So totally they are all in a connection. So it can be it can connect each other. So that's all. Thank you.